Assalamu alaikum. Here is Hina with English news. First headlines. PM Imran Khan assures PTI lawmakers to personally monitor Jahangir Tareen case. The Prime Minister Imran Khan met a group of PTI lawmakers and assured them that he would be personally monitoring the case of the party's leader and sugar baron Jahangir Tareen. Only 33 Sindh Assembly members will attend session. The government and the opposition slashed the number of seats in the Sindh Assembly with mutual consultation as per the coronavirus SOPs. Rupees 8.3 billion transaction. NAB files reference against Zardari. The National Accountability Bureau filed a reference against ex-president Asif Ali Zardari over rupees 8.3 billion transaction through fake bank accounts. Punjab government approves procurement of COVID-19 vaccine. The Punjab government has decided to procure COVID-19 vaccine by allocating rupees 1.5 billion funds following the approval of the Cabinet Committee on Combating Coronavirus. Shafqat Mahmood announced to cancel all exams until June 15. Federal Minister for Education Shafqat Mahmood announced to cancel all exams in the country till June 15 after a meeting of the NCOC reviewed COVID-19 situation in the country. Since COVID-19 death toll sees sharp rise as 19 more patients die, Sindh reported as many as 1,084 COVID-19 cases and 19 more associated deaths during the past 24 hours. Pakistan recorded 4,487 new COVID cases. Positivity rate rises to 10.20%. Pakistan has witnessed 142 more coronavirus deaths during the past 24 hours. This is the end of today's news. Take care of yourself and others. Stay tuned with CID News Network Islamabad. Goodbye.
You are watching CID News Network Islamabad.